Here we are. The modern digital age that semiconductors have helped create has led to the advent of Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, autonomous vehicles, and 5G phones. In an age where everything's becoming increasingly computerized, computer circuits power practically everything. Modern life is dependent on semiconductor chips. Smart cities and devices, autonomous vehicles, and smart medicine make it easy to imagine a world where there are chips in just about everything that defines our way of life. The semiconductor industry is already riding this wave, and most industry experts see the same trajectory for the foreseeable future. While emerging state-of-the-art devices get a lot of attention, traditional integrated circuits continue to be the workhorse of the digital economy. For years, the semiconductor industry has been packing big processing power into increasingly smaller chips. More power for less. To handle rapidly increasing volumes of data, more chips will be required, both advanced logic and mainstream nodes. While many semiconductor fabs can incrementally increase output through improved tool performance and yield, there's still the need to build new capacity in every segment. The market for memory is booming, but demand will likely continue to outpace planned capacity in the next few years. Our industry as a whole has a vested interest in getting new products to market as quickly as possible, addressing the vast opportunities presented by the IoT age, and help make the world of smart everything a reality. We humans have come a long way to get where we are today. Looking back, it's hard to believe what we've achieved and what is yet to be achieved. If we rise to the occasion and come together across nations, we can make the future great.